Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho Books for automated expense categorization, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type zoho.com/books and press enter. Once the Zoho Books homepage loads, locate the sign in button in the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. You will be redirected to your Zoho Books dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings icon located at the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, look for Preferences and click on it. Now, choose Expense from the list of preferences. Here, you will find the option for Automated Expense Categorization. Toggle this feature on to enable automated categorization. Next, set your preferred categories for expenses if prompted. Once you've set your categories, click Save to apply the changes. You have now successfully logged in and set up automated expense categorization in Zoho Books. Feel free to explore other features in the dashboard to enhance your accounting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.